Hello again everyone, and welcome back to Otherworldly Encounters, where you can submit your NDE, OBE, spiritual or paranormal story to my email address noted here, and in the description section of this channel as well. No need to use your real name, you can submit anonymously and I will do my best to create a video with your story. Today's near-death experience comes from Casey, who died from a massive heart attack, and had a most unusual experience in a place beyond our understanding. My name is Casey, and this is my near-death experience, which occurred on August 14th of 1984. My wife and I had gone to sleep that evening, and it was about 3 a.m. when I awoke with severe chest pain. I had several bouts of chest pain in the past, and had blood tests performed to check for enzymes, but none were found, so I was deemed free of any heart attack issues. That August night, the pain was particularly severe, and I had all of the features of a classic heart attack: pain down my right arm, my back, and a feeling like an elephant was sitting on my chest. I didn't want to alarm my wife by telling her what I was going through, as I thought the pain would subside, so I simply changed positions in bed, hoping that would relieve the pressure, but instead it made it worse. I thought I might try to walk around the room to get some relief, so with great difficulty, I managed to get myself up and headed toward the bathroom. This turned out to be a bad decision, as the pain was now becoming unbearable, and I was having extreme difficulty breathing. As I approached the bathroom door, I collapsed, hit the floor and lost all sense of reality. My wife didn't hear the thud, as she was deep in sleep. I am not sure how long I was lying there, when I became aware of something that looked like a 9-foot-long insect, hovering over my body. It appeared to be some sort of giant beetle, and it scared the hell out of me. I tried to sit up, but I couldn't move, and I watched as the giant insect crawled away into thin air. The next weird thing that happened was this: I heard a telephone ringing, but the sound was inside my head. I said hello, and my father responded, and told me I had died. At that point, I was in a state of total confusion: a heart attack, an ominous-looking insect, a phone call from my deceased father, and now something else, a swirling funnel. It covered my face and I felt like I was suffocating, but a calming voice told me not to worry. I looked inside the funnel and saw people that I knew, who were both living and dead, and there were memories from my childhood. I was swept up and into the funnel, and then hurled off the edge of the earth, and shot through space like a rocket. I eventually floated downward, and felt like I was wearing a parachute, then landed softly on what looked like a cloud, and felt like a pillow. What is this? Where am I? Is this a joke? These were my thoughts. I heard a rumbling sound, and then out of the clouds, a being of light appeared, and asked me to put my hand over my chest. I did as he asked, but I couldn't feel a heartbeat. I asked him how was it possible for me to be dead, yet alive, with all of my senses, minus a heartbeat, and the being said, my heart was in the repair shop. What? I replied with a look of disbelief. A repair shop? Yes, that is correct, he replied. I thought the entire exchange was absurd. I felt I was being mocked, so I asked to see the repair shop. He showed me a place where several beings were hovering over a beating heart and poking it with instruments. Then he said I would be going back with a new heart, and did I have any questions for him? I asked if he was aware of the beetle that was hovering over me, and he said he was, and not to worry, as I had manufactured it with elements from both the earthly and spiritual realms. The being of light again asked me to touch my chest. This time I could feel a heartbeat, and at that moment, I was back in my body. As it turned out, I had a massive heart attack, and had to have bypass surgery and died during the operation. When I came back to life, I was told that I was lucky to be alive, and that I was in the repair shop with the hospital's most competent cardiac surgeon, whose name was Dr. Beetle. What did you think of Casey's story? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed his story, please give it a like and subscribe, which is free, and will help this channel grow, and hit the bell icon, so you can receive a notification when I release a new video, and remember to send your stories to the email address that you will see at the end of this video, and I will turn it into new content for your enjoyment. This is also free. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will come back and visit again soon.